Today I'm going to show how to install a new high beam LED kit from Auxito Automotive Lighting Specialist. This is a plug-and-play kit that requires no modifications to your car's headlights. You can simply take out your old, dull-looking halogen bulbs and replace them with brand new bright LED bulbs. These bulbs will increase your car's nighttime visibility and give your high and low beams a cohesive look. The kit I'm installing today is Auxito's brightest LED HB3 bulbs. They are 120 watt, 2400 lumen bulbs with a 6500 Kelvin cool white light. The bulbs are CAN bus air-free, provide low power consumption, are a 1-to-1 beam pattern just like the halogen bulbs that you're replacing, and can be rotated 360 degrees to ensure the LEDs line up perfectly inside your headlight housing. I will have an affiliate link that will give you a discount off your purchase in the video description. In the box, you will receive white gloves, an accessory bag, manual, and 2 LED bulbs. To install the bulbs, you first need to pop open your hood. Next, locate your high beam bulb cover. I started with the passenger side bulb. Twist the cover and remove it from the car. Twist the halogen bulb and pull it out of the housing. Unplug the bulb's wire harness by pulling up on the harness's locking tab and separating it from the bulb. Grab one of your new LED bulbs. It's a good idea to use the provided white gloves so you don't touch the LEDs with your hands. The oil from your hands can damage the LEDs. Plug the wire harness into the OEM harness. There are plus and minus symbols on one side of the LED harness. This side should correspond with the OEM harness's locking tab. Plug the harness in until it locks into place. Next, position the bulb into the headlight. The wire should be at the bottom of the bulb. After the bulb was seated, I decided to remove the white gloves so that I could get a better feel for how the bulb locked into the headlight. The bulb has a small Allen screw that allows you to rotate the bulb so the LEDs are at the 3 and 9 o'clock position inside the headlight. The LED kit includes the correct Allen key and extra screws. After the bulb was locked into place, I had one of my assistants hand me one of the small zip ties that's included with the kit. I zip tied the new LED harness to the OEM harness. Then I placed the wires inside the headlight housing. Finally, I reinstalled the bulb cover back onto the headlight. After the passenger side was done, I proceeded to the driver's side. The process is the same for this side as the passenger side. It is, however, a bit easier as there is more access to the headlight. As before, unscrew the bulb cover. Unscrew the bulb. Pull up on the wire harness tab and unplug the harness. Get the new LED bulb. Plug in its harness. Remember, the side with the positive and negative symbols needs to go in the side of the OEM harness with the locking tab. Install the LED bulb, twist it in place. Zip tie the wires together and set them inside the headlight. Finally, reinstall the high beam cover. After the installation, I stepped back and looked at both bulbs. At first, I thought they were positioned correctly with the LEDs in the 3 and 9 o'clock position, but they were actually slightly off. I took both bulbs back out, and then using the included Allen key, I loosened the Allen bolt on the bottom of the bulb. I then rotated the base slightly and retightened the bolt. I made sure to wear one of the white gloves in case I touched the bulb. After I made the adjustment, I reinstalled the bulbs and checked them again. This time, they were in the correct position. This completes the installation process for Auxito's LED high beam kit. There is a night and day difference in the OEM bulbs versus these new LEDs. They are so much brighter and match the color of the low beams a lot better. This is how the headlights should have come from the factory. I love how easy these bulbs were to install. The whole process took less than 10 minutes. Here is some footage of the lights at night. This should give you an idea of just how much easier it is to see with these new LED bulbs. Auxito has several bulb options in varying brightnesses for the Veloster N and many other vehicles. Please use the link in the video description to order your new LED bulbs today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.